Ever find yourself up at nights wondering what exactly you're paying for in your monthly mortgage? Well, let's pull back the covers and get a better understanding. Hi, I'm Dwayne and this is Fresh Keys. You're making a mortgage payment monthly, but what are you paying for? It's the house or the land, of course, but really, what makes up your mortgage payments? Your mortgage payment involves four main components, and let's talk about them a little bit. Firstly, there is the principal, which is the actual amount you borrowed from your mortgage institution to buy the property, and that can be either a house or a piece of land. There's also interest payment, and that mortgage interest is calculated as a percentage of what you borrow and is actually repaid over the length of your mortgage. So if we should use a little example, let's say you borrowed $1 million at an interest rate of 2%, you'll pay $20,000 per year in interest for the life of the loan. We also have life insurance, and that protects your ability to repay the loan for the lifetime of the mortgage. And in the event of death, mortgage insurance repays the outstanding loan amount. We also have peril insurance, which provides coverage to replace your property in the event of a disaster, such as fire or a hurricane. You see, it's more than just what you borrowed to cover the costs of the house that makes up your mortgage. There are other parts that protect you, just in case life happens. But don't let these terms keep you up at night. Reach out to us on our socials or call us at 888-CALL-NHT and let's talk about it.